One of the things that I think is fantastic about art is this emotional attachment. Part of the challenge for a designer that artists don't necessarily have to take into account is how do you have it produced through a traditional manufacturing process. Artists don't have that limitation. Designers, on the other hand, usually have to consider a manufacturing process, and then they have to design around that process. We're now printing in metal, so now you have a process that allows to achieve this design.
In order to realize the best product, you have to start with the best tools. The Third Dimension team utilizes the ProX 320 in order to help our customers realize their visions. The first step in the process is the customer delivers a CAD file to our engineering team. Our engineering team then uses their experience and skills to design a set of support structures in order to realize the final product. This file is then loaded into the DMP equipment where the faucet is grown. This is accomplished by using a very high-power laser to microweld where we want geometry to form. The grid faucet goes into the hands of our skilled machinists where the threads are added for the mating connectors and aerator. From the machinist, the parts go into a tumble deburr process, which gives the part a uniform surface finish. The parts then go into a powder coat where the matte black finish is added.
We have a design that's a cube, but it's just the outline of a cube. Well, how do you produce that? How do you move water through the outline of a geometric form? There was no traditional manufacturing process that could produce that, except one, and that's this evolution of 3D printing.
At Third Dimension, we believe we make the best metal parts because we want to win. We always want to be in front. We don't accept anything less than the best.
This design was approached to accomplish this minimalism, and 3D printing allowed us to do it, and that's the big difference.